our beer bread. We're going to have some self-rising flour, have some sugar, we're going to have some butter, and we're going to have 12 ounces of beer. Any beer will do. So today, to make our beer bread, we're going to preheat our oven to 375 degrees. We're going to melt our butter in the microwave. We have our melted butter. We're going to mix our 3 cups of flour. We're going to mix 1, 2, 3 cups of flour. Mix our sugar. Half a cup. Put our ingredients in the pan. And we put in the oven for 1 hour. 1 hour. We'll come back and check it again. Stay tuned. Alright, it's been 1 hour, so we're going to take the bread out and check it out. It's nice and toasty and brown. Hot off the press. We'll let it cool. We'll let it cool for a minute, and then we'll cut it and see how it tastes. And take it out the pan. It's a nice loaf. We'll give it a cut. Looks very delicious. We'll give it a try. Alright, so today we made some beer bread, homemade. We used 12 ounces of, it was a light beer, so you can use any beer you want. but it was a simple bread. It just uses flour, butter, sugar, beer. Mix it all together. There's no kneading, there's no waiting to let it rise. Mix it together, throw it in a pan, and you bake it for 1 hour. And in 1 hour you get a bread that looks just like this. Tastes very delicious. The center is very bread-like. The outer crust is crispy. Has a great texture, great flavor. The sugar gives it a little sweetness, so if you don't like sweetness, add less sugar. I used about 2/3 of a cup. The recipe called for 1/2 cup. I wanted a little bit sweeter to see how it tasted, and it was delicious. So 10-minute bread mix and 1 hour to bake, and you'll have some fresh homemade beer bread. Hope you like it. Check it out. Follow me on YouTube.